Welcome to our channel. If you want to leverage affiliate promotions to get free subscription time for your favorite services, follow these step-by-step instructions to discover and maximize these valuable opportunities. Step 1. Identify content creators, bloggers, or influencers in your niche who frequently share affiliate promotions for subscription services you're interested in. Step 2. Subscribe to their newsletters, follow their social media accounts, and enable notifications to stay informed about new promotional offers as they become available. Step 3. When an affiliate promotion is announced, carefully read all terms and conditions, noting the duration of free access, any requirements, and whether payment information is needed. Step 4. Click on the unique affiliate link provided by the creator to ensure proper tracking and activation of the promotional offer. Step 5. Complete the sign-up process on the service's website, entering your information and applying any promotional codes exactly as instructed by the affiliate. Step 6. Verify that your account reflects the promotional subscription period and check whether you need to cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. Step 7. Set a calendar reminder a few days before the promotional period expires to decide whether to continue or cancel the subscription. Step 8. Explore the service thoroughly during your free period to determine if it's worth continuing after the promotion ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.